What's good, Josh? The Kid J Nolan here, and I want to talk to y'all today about how to deal with rejection. All right, and this is a huge factor, especially in life in general, but especially if you're in entertainment, music, film, all of those things. Right? I was just watching a video last night of a film producer by the name of Jeff Deverett. He was talking about how to get a film accepted, bought, and placed on Netflix, and he was basically talking about how it takes up to 250 calls, maybe even 300 according to his team, in order to get any type of traction. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let him tell y'all.
No means not today. Everybody starts with a no. Everybody starts with a no. And if you take no as the definitive answer, you cannot survive in this business. I used to say, it takes 100 calls to get an appointment. I don't say that anymore. Now I say it takes 250 calls to get an appointment.
Although 95% of everything that I do comes from me reaching out and pitching and solidifying agreements, only about 35% of those emails result in success. All right, so that's a 30 to 35% success rate. So that means there's anywhere between 65 to 70% of me reaching out that goes unanswered, unresolved, and just left until further notice. You know what I'm saying? And it's not a problem. It's not something that I take personal, because I know it comes with the business at this point. And if you would have asked me 2 years ago, my success rate in that area was probably 10%, 15%. You know what I'm saying? It only really started to elevate as I started to elevate. So now my name is affiliated with these production companies and these big TV shows and films. So now people take a second glance when I reach out, and it's like, oh damn, yeah, we gotta fuck with him. But for a while I was using a bio that I thought was good, and then one day I looked at it and I was like, this could be better. I fixed it myself. I fixed my website numerous times. So the website that you see today is a product of me having 5-6 different versions that led up to that. At the end of the day, as a child, all right, you said no today, but I'm gonna ask you again. You know what I mean? And of course, when we become adults, we get to a place where it's like, I'm not finna ask nobody for nothing more than once. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to work with me the first time, don't come back to me later. But you gotta understand, everybody is not in the same space as you, whether that be positive, negative, or indifferent. Remove your emotions from the outcome. All right? There's times where for 2-3 months I may not be getting the looks that I want, and I just got to sit there and deal with it. There's times where my sales on Fiverr go low. There's times where I don't have shows coming in. I don't have anything lined up, and I feel antsy, and I feel like, man, I gotta get to it. But that's the time that I take to strategize and work on my next move. No means not today. It's not a final decision. All right? Peace.